Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to Learn English with Priyanka Chaudhary once again. Today in this video, I am going to share with you 30 small talk questions and answers, which will surely help you to have a conversation like a pro. Whether you are at a social gathering, a networking event, or you are willing to have a contact with new people. I'm sure and I assure you that these small talk question and answers will help you to have a smooth conversation. In order to proceed this video further, I need your help. I want you to answer all these 30 questions, and don't worry, the answers will be displayed on your screen. You are just supposed to read these answers. Are you guys ready? Let's begin. How's your day going? Did you do anything fun over the weekend? What do you do for a living? Have you been on any recent vacations? How do you like to spend your free time? Do you have any favorite hobbies or interests? What's your favorite type of cuisine? Are you a morning person or a night owl? Have you watched any movies or TV shows lately? Do you follow any sports team? What's your favorite season of the year? Do you enjoy reading books? If yes, can you name anyone? Are you a cat person or a dog person? Do you like to travel? Any dream destination? Are you into any outdoor activities like hiking or camping? What's your favorite type of music? How do you stay active and healthy? What's the most interesting place that you have ever visited? Are you a coffee or a tea person? Do you have any favorite TV shows from your childhood? Are you into any specific genres of music or movies? Have you ever taken any interesting classes or workshops? What's your favorite way to relax after a long day? Are you a fan of art or museum? Do you have any favorite quotes or mantras that inspire you? What's the best piece of advice you have ever received? Are you a fan of comedy? If yes, do you have any favorite comedian? Have you ever faced a challenge that made you stronger? What's a recent accomplishment you are proud of? That was really awesome. You really spoke well while answering these questions. Thank you so much for joining me till the end. If you liked this video and found it helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you didn't like this video and you wanted me to make some changes, or you want me to upload some another video on another topic, do let me know in the comment section. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next. Till then, bye bye. Take care.